There are some new additions to the Intel NUC family, Kits and Mini-PCs. I'm Stephanie Essen, and you'll learn what both of these have to offer in this IDZ Weekly. Let's jump right into the new Intel NUC Kits. They allow integrators and DIYers to customize their choice of storage, memory, and operating system. With this flexibility, the kits offer a range of price and performance options to meet most mainstream users' needs in an ultra-small form factor. They also feature Intel Iris graphics with eDRAM that can power home theater systems, drive content creator boxes, and even serve as a personal voice assistant. Moreover, for gamers, the Intel NUC Mini-PCs are an affordable mainstream gaming option for playing your favorite games like League of Legends in 1080p. Here are some specs for both of these new machines. They're powered by 8th generation Intel Core i3 processors and are the first to feature discrete graphics. They come fully configured with 1 TB of storage, either 8 GB or 4 GB of memory, and Windows 10 Home. They're equipped with 2 HDMI outputs and 4 USB 3 ports. All inside of a small form factor that can easily be hidden away, so you don't have to crowd your space with all of this goodness. To get your hands on one of these, follow the link and I'll see you next Monday.